951. That's CQ Towing. 0418-766-951. Orion Signs is CQ #1 wrap specialist. They have supported the event with designing the graphics for our shirts and making all the stickers with our sponsors' logos to place on the race entrance vehicle. They specialize in custom wraps and designs for your specific needs, from stickers and labels and small decals through to full vehicle coverage. They customize business signage to suit the vehicle and needs, offer custom designs or full-color wraps for cars, trucks, and boats, trailers. That's not all. Orion paints sign writing and pinstripes, do signage for office and commercial, line spec vehicles, banners and flags, and so much more. Head to their website, orionsign.com.au, and see how magnificent their work is. The Goldrush community would like to shout out to BFB Scaffolding. They put the time to supply and erect the scaffold for the VIP sponsors to enjoy the event from top mountain viewing. BFB has supported and sponsored the Goldrush Hills Sprint since the beginning of this awesome event. They specialize in the supply, hire, and sale and erection of scaffolding, and offer a full range of complementary and associated products and services, including scaffolding, formwork products, telehandler hire, labor hire, and transport.
Okay, the mighty AU.
I got a yellow flag on my phone.
Oh, did ya? Oh, bugger.
Without them, we don't have a race. First up, Menzies Auto Service. Wayne Menzies at Menzies Auto Service has been a great supporter of the Goldrush event. The business currently trades under the names of Menzies Auto Service, Menzies Ampole Frenchville, and Menzies Towing Service. Menzies Auto Service has been servicing the Rockhampton and Central Queensland region for over 50 years. If you would like any of the Menzies services, you can contact them on admin@menziesauto.com.au. You'll be in great hands. Knight Consulting Engineers is an ongoing sponsor from last year. They do designs for any house, unit, or building, even commercial. Contact Knight Consulting Engineers on 07-3391-0126. Emu Park Real Estate. The township of Emu Park. It also lists and sell in all Rockhampton suburbs as well as Gracemere. Emu Park Real Estate is an independently owned and operated business that provides honest and effective communication to all clients, whether they are selling, buying, or looking to rent their investment property. Their staff has years of experience in sales and property management, and you can be confident you are in safe hands when entrusting them with your property. The team act with honesty and integrity and always put the interests of our clients first. Looking to sell? Looking to buy? Looking for a tenant? Looking to rent? They can help you out. Or in All Industries Group is a Queensland-based family-owned business established in 2014. They deliver certified engineering, fabrication, and maintenance solutions for high-performance industries with a reputation for reliable, compliant, and mine-ready outcomes in demanding environments. Their strength is the combination of technical expertise and agility. Guided by lean manufacturing principles, they refine processes to cut down time, lift efficiency, and strengthen supply chain reliability. With multiple ISO certified systems among the most competitive in our region, they give partners confidence that every project meets the highest standards of quality and compliance.
Oh, that's cool.
Together with an extended range of the world's best brands and quality products, the company stocks a broad range of wheels and reliable batteries for passenger vehicles, 4x4s, vans, and light trucks. Our
Hey, brother.
and wheel balancing services use the latest computerized technology, making sure Bob Jane T-Mart keeps you safe on the road for longer. As passionate motoring enthusiasts, they have a total commitment to the motorists of Australia, offering a level of...
Right, now moving on to some an XD Falcon of Josh Thornikoff. Team Dado 1600.
The middle of the car's coming